How to download Lovable app 2026. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download the Lovable app on your phone. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is, if you're using Android phone, simply open up your Google Play Store. If you're using iPhone, make sure to open up your Apple App Store. Then tap on the search bar from the bottom of the screen. Then from the top of the search box, you can simply type in Lovable. When you do that, you'll find the Lovable app at the top of your list. And you can see the official developer also, Lovable. This is how you recognize this is the official app. Now to download it, all you have to do is tap on the install button that you can see over there, and it is going to take a while depending upon your internet connection and your processing speed. And once done, you can see we've successfully went ahead and then downloaded the Lovable application. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon as always in our next video.